Everything I needed was handled by these three tools. I could see, manage, and grow my money better than any bank was ever helping me do. Here's the craziest part. None of this took more than an hour to set up, seriously. If you can download TikTok and post a video, you can set this up. Have you ever felt like your bank is just holding your money hostage? You deposit, you wait, you get charged fees for things you don't even understand. And when you need them most, there's always a delay. Look, I used to think that was normal too. But then I discovered something that changed everything for me. 3 apps, yes, just 3, completely replaced my bank in 2025. Rocket Money, Monarch, Acorns. And I'm about to show you exactly how they did it and how they can do it for you too. This isn't hype. It's not theory, it's what I use every day. I'm gonna walk you through exactly how these apps work together to do what traditional banks can't. Help you keep more of your money, manage it with precision, and actually grow it automatically. No spreadsheets, no finance degree, and no BS. Stick with me, because once you see this, you won't want to go back. Let's start with Rocket Money. You ever look at your bank account and wonder where your money just disappeared to? Rocket Money is like having a hyper-intelligent assistant inside your wallet. It instantly shows you all your subscriptions, bills, spending trends, and even negotiates bills on your behalf. One time, it knocked 25s off my internet bill without me doing a thing. Over the year, I saved almost $500 just by letting Rocket Money hunt down unnecessary expenses. That's not budgeting, that's weaponizing your wallet. Then there's Monarch. And let me tell you something, Monarch is like the command center of your finances. Forget Excel. This thing gives you a full financial dashboard that updates in real time, connects every single account you have, and gives you AI-generated insights. And I'm not talking about vague suggestions. I mean things like, if you cut your Uber Eats by 15% this month, you'll save $120 and hit your vacation goal 2 months earlier. It's like having a financial advisor who never sleeps, right in your pocket. And yes, you can share your plan with a partner too. It's built for families and solo hustlers. Finally, Acorns, this one's different. Acorns makes your money grow in the background without you lifting a finger. Every time you spend, it rounds up the purchase to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. Bought coffee for 3s. 60? 40 cents goes straight into your investment portfolio. It adds up fast. I made $75 in pure investment. Returns last quarter, and I didn't even notice it happening. It's micro-investing. Automated. Now let me paint the full picture for you. Rocket Money cleans your financial house. It plugs the leaks, finds the waste, and shows you exactly where your money is going. Monarch gives you full visibility and control, AI-driven insights, goal tracking, and decision-making support. And Acorns? Acorns makes sure that even your leftover pennies are working for you, compounding in the background like a silent employee. When I combined all 3, it felt like I had my own personal finance army. I stopped using my traditional bank app complete. Everything I needed was handled by these 3 tools. I could see, manage, and grow my money better than any bank was ever helping me do. Here's the craziest part. None of this took more than an hour to set up, seriously. If you can download TikTok and post a video, you can set this up. I didn't need a financial background. I didn't need a coach. I just needed to try it. And the results were impossible to ignore. Last month, these apps helped me save $312 without changing my lifestyle, cut aches, $70 in recurring fees, and grow my investments by $84. That's almost $500 in 30 days, automatically. And I know what you might be thinking. Is this really that easy? Yes. Because Fintech in 2025 isn't about effort. It's about tools, smart tools, AI tools. And these 3, they're the smartest I've seen. If you're still using a regular bank to manage your money, it's like using a flip phone in a world of iPhones. These apps aren't optional anymore. They're essential. They give you the power to track, optimize, and grow without stress. And look, I didn't make this video because someone paid me. I made it because once I saw the difference it made in my life, I knew someone like you might need this too. Because no one teaches us this stuff. Schools don't. Most banks definitely won't. But now you know. And once you know, you can't unknow. These apps are the future of finance, and they're available to you right now. So here's what I want you to do. Try at least one of them today. Don't wait. Start with Rocket Money if you want to save. Start with Monarch if you want control. Start with Acorns if you want your money to grow, or stack them like I did and build your own digital bank that actually works for you. You don't need permission. You don't need a huge paycheck. You just need to start. And when you do, I want you to come back to this video and comment what changed for you. Because something will. I promise you that. Thanks for sticking with me. If this helped you, share it with one person who needs it. And if you want more no BS money tools like this, hit subscribe. Your future self will thank you.